Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for another student shout-out. So let's get cracking. Friends, this is Ferp the Frog, and it is a lesson I've got. I will have a link up above so you can get to the lesson. It was created by one of my 8th graders, Priya, and Priya went into these shapes right here, creatures and characters, and said, Mr. Harmon, I want these eyes. Well, when you click more shapes and more shapes and more shapes, those eyes don't exist. I've got good news for you though. I have created eyeballs. There will be a lesson to that up above. It's in code blocks. If you track it down, you can see the lesson's only about 4 minutes, and then we save these as a part. Now, I mentioned this to Priya. She opened it up and I said, hey, what's it take to make those little eyes? Friends, she solved this eye problem in just a second. I thought you guys might want to see it, so let me show you. So, of course, friends, the first thing is you needed to have created that eye. If you don't have that eye, look in the cards up above. I'm also going to put the link in the description because in my classroom, I'm noticing that the cards don't appear. When you click on your creations, if you don't see the eye, I've created a lot of these code block shapes, so I have to click more several times to get down to them. But when you do, boom, there is my little eye. Now, if we bring out this eye, notice that is the white piece. I'm going to hold down Shift and shrink it. And when I was talking to Priya, I said, what shape is this? And she said, oh, half sphere. Friends, once you can start seeing these things, it's a game changer. I'm going to hold down Shift and shrink it till it's about the right size. I'm going to pick the green I want. Let's bring it over here. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. I'm going to switch my nudge to 0.1. I'm going to hold down Shift and make it a little smaller. Let's do a line so that they line up with the real eyeball. So there I've got it centered and centered. Now I'm going to real quickly do Fit View so we come over and look at it better. And from a corner, I want to rotate it a few degrees. So there's my rotation handle. And I'm going to just come back to right there. Let's see how that looks. Pretty neat, but you can see it has to nudge backwards. I'm going to just use the arrow keys. And I'm going to do Control down to get to the spot I want. And then for the bottom eyelid, I'm going to do Control D again. But friends, I'm going to mirror this one. I want to flip it like that. I'm going to bring it down to the bottom. And then I have just made my little eyeball. I want to squish it up so it looks just like I want. But this is how you can make your own custom eyeballs in an instant. Get that nudged exactly the way I want. Take a look at it from every direction. I think that is pretty darn sweet. Friends, when you do have your eyeball created the way that you want, make sure that you grab it, switch to the Your Creation buttons, and you can create a shape with that eyeball, so now it'll be available in any project you want. I'm going to call it Green Eye, and I'm going to hit Save Shape. I never lock the part size, so now on any project I make, I'll be able to hit Your Creations, and boom, I'll have that eyeball available to be used. If I need it in different colors, you saw just how easy it is to make it in an instant. Friends, I hope you had a ton of fun with this. I want to tell Priya thank you so much. Loved how you worked to design this so quickly and that you took time to share it with me so that I could share it with everybody else. Just a super quick reminder, friends, if you build any project and you want to share it with me, all you have to do is hit this little button up here, generate a link, copy the link, and then you can reach out to me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also track me down on Twitter. I am HLTinkerCAD. If you don't have any of those available, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com. I have a Tinkercad page with all kinds of amazing lessons, and at the bottom there is also a messaging tool that you can fill out and reach out to me almost instantly. Lastly, friends, I want to thank all the kids in class today. I saw so many amazing creations, logs, lily pads, tongues sticking out with flies on them. This lesson was so fun because I got you the frog and then you guys started making amazing stuff, which was super cool. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.